Elon Musk's Samsung deal changes everything for Tesla. In the world of innovation and business, Elon Musk is a well-known name. He's known for his big plans like settling on Mars and changing how people get around Earth. Tesla, on the other hand, makes some of the best electric cars and energy products on the market. The company was started in 2003 with the goal of making transportation less reliant on fossil fuels and more environmentally friendly. The innovative design, advanced technology, and impressive performance of Tesla's electric cars have shaken up the car business. Tesla is one of the most important and influential companies in the world today. Its goal is to speed up the world's move to clean energy. Greetings everyone! We hope you liked today's video of Elon Musk Prime, in which we'll talk about Elon Musk and the Samsung deal that changes everything for Tesla. Prepare to witness the automotive industry revolution as Elon Musk and Samsung collaborate to catapult Tesla to new heights. This game-changing collaboration is designed to electrify the planet, and we're here to provide you with a front row seat to the action. What is the deal with Samsung? Elon Musk's new agreement with Samsung represents a significant advance for Tesla in the pursuit of its objectives. As part of the partnership, Samsung will supply Tesla with cutting-edge technology as well as components for the automobiles that the company manufactures. This comprises high-tech batteries, screens, and other important components that will be incorporated into Tesla vehicles in the future in order to increase the vehicle's performance and driving range. The cutting-edge battery technology that Samsung has developed is a vital part of electric vehicles and is essential for boosting the range and performance of Tesla's automobiles. Using this technology, Tesla will be able to build electric cars that are both more economical and less harmful to the environment. This will make it easier for more people to purchase electric vehicles. The cooperation with Samsung will enable Tesla to maintain its leadership position in the rapidly evolving field of electric vehicles and will provide the firm with an advantage over its rivals in the marketplace. In other words, Tesla is about to get even more lit. The agreement that Tesla has reached with Samsung will, in addition, result in lower production costs for the company. This is due to the fact that Samsung will be providing Tesla with components at a lower cost, which will enable Tesla to pass the savings forward to customers. This will make Tesla's electric cars more accessible to a wider audience by lowering their price point. The relationship is also an important move for Samsung because it'll enable the company to broaden its presence in the automotive market, and this will be a significant step for both parties. Samsung is well positioned to play a significant role in the expansion of the market for electric cars, thanks to the company's competence in electronic components and battery technology. This partnership will position Tesla and Samsung as leaders in the electric car sector for many years to come, and it is a win-win situation for both firms. The transactions anticipated to result in considerable benefits for both firms and will cement Tesla's position as a market leader in the field of electric cars for many years to come. The partnership's excellent news for customers as well because it will result in the development of electric vehicles that are both technologically advanced and more reasonably priced. Tesla will be able to build automobiles that are even better for the environment and more efficient as a result of the technology developed with Samsung. This will make it possible for more people to purchase electric vehicles, and this alliance is a significant step toward a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future for all of us. I guess you could say it's electric, it's energizing, and it's Samsung-tastic. So what does the future hold for Tesla? The collaboration between Tesla and Samsung is only the most recent example of Tesla's long history of industry-leading innovation. With the completion of this transaction, Tesla is well positioned to maintain its position as a market leader in the electric car business. This relationship with Samsung will be an important factor in the company's overall effort to hasten the transition to more environmentally friendly forms of energy worldwide, which is the company's stated aim. As Tesla continues to test the limits of what is feasible in the field of electric vehicles, the company's outlook for the company's future is looking increasingly positive. Tesla will be able to build electric vehicles that are even more cutting-edge and efficient, thanks to the technology and skills of Samsung, which will also make these vehicles more accessible to consumers. The transaction also makes it possible for Tesla to broaden its reach and introduce its cutting-edge goods to more markets all over the world. To summarize, the collaboration between Elon Musk and Samsung represents a significant step forward for the development of the electric vehicle market. Tesla will remain at the forefront of the market with the assistance of the technology and knowledge offered by Samsung, leading the way in the production of electric vehicles that are both more technologically advanced and cheaper. We are excited to see what the future holds for Tesla as it appears to have a promising outlook. What does this mean for the automotive industry? A significant step forward for the whole automotive sector, the alliance between Elon Musk and Samsung marks a huge turning point. Tesla will be able to build electric vehicles that are even more technologically advanced and energy efficient with the help of Samsung's cutting-edge technology and components, thereby setting the benchmark for the rest of the industry to follow. The transaction also will put pressure on other manufacturers to improve their products so they can compete with Tesla in the production of electric vehicles. As Tesla maintains its position as the leader in the market, other businesses will be forced to exert significant effort if they wish to catch up and provide consumers with goods that are competitive. In addition, the alliance will encourage creative thinking and the production of novel technology within the automotive sector. The expertise that Samsung possesses in electronics and batteries will be of great assistance to Tesla in continuing to push the boundaries of what is possible in the EV industry. This will ultimately lead to the development of technologies that are even more cutting-edge and environmentally friendly. So, to sum up, the collaboration between Elon Musk and Samsung will have a huge effect on the rest of the automobile industry. So buckle up, because the future of driving is about to get a lot more exciting. What does this mean for consumers? The fact that Elon and Samsung have decided to collaborate is fantastic news for customers. Tesla will be able to manufacture EVs that are even more technologically advanced, fuel efficient, and kind to the environment as a result of Samsung's technology. And this will make electric vehicles even more available to the general public, so enabling a greater number of individuals to make the transition to environmentally friendly forms of energy. The production costs of Tesla's EVs will also decrease as a result of the partnership, which will make the vehicles more accessible to people on a budget. People will have an easier time making the transition to electric automobiles and doing their part to contribute to the creation of a cleaner and greener future as a result. In addition, other businesses in the automotive industry will continue to be motivated to follow in Tesla's footsteps. Because of this, the development of technologies that are even more cutting-edge and environmentally friendly will be pushed forward, which will ultimately result in a future with lower emissions and a cleaner environment for everyone. In conclusion, the collaboration between Elon Musk and Samsung represents a big step toward a more environmentally friendly and sustainable future for everybody. The future of the electric car business appears to be bright thanks to Tesla's dedication to innovation and Samsung's proficiency in technology. As a result, we can't wait to see what comes next in this space. Elon Musk and Samsung's collaboration is more than just a financial arrangement. It's a giant leap forward for a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future for everyone on Earth. Finally, the answer is at hand. Elon Musk's partnership with Samsung will revolutionize Tesla and the auto industry as a whole. Be sure to stay tuned for more updates and exciting developments from Tesla. Do you think a deal with Samsung would be smart for Tesla? Write yes or no in the comment section below. And remember to subscribe and click the video on the screen now to watch another fascinating video about Elon Musk.